On ChatGPT, you can now access the power of Adobe Express to generate templates and customize designs. By connecting the Express app, you can use prompts to generate templates, change text and background colors, swap graphics and images, and even animate your design without leaving the chat. And this is an easy way to create standout content, and I'll show you how in this Adobe sponsored video. So let's head over to ChatGPT and go over how to connect and use the Adobe Express app. So to use Adobe Express on ChatGPT, the first thing we need to do is connect the app. To do this, let's open up the sidebar by clicking the icon up top here. And from the sidebar menu, go ahead and select the More tab. You can then select the Apps option from the menu here. And this will take us to a menu where we can browse all the various apps that are available for ChatGPT. In the search field at the top right, let's type in Adobe Express. And this should pull up the Adobe Express app. If we select it here, it'll take us to a page where we can view more details about Adobe Express for ChatGPT. Feel free to read over the information. And once you're ready, go ahead and click the Connect button at the top right. From the menu here, you have the option to sign in with Adobe Express, or you can choose to use it without an account. I'm going to sign in, so let's select the Sign In with Adobe Express button. If you haven't signed up for Adobe Express yet, I'll add a link to the video description so you can check it out. And Adobe Express is now connected to my ChatGPT. So to try it out and see how it works, let's start a new chat. If I click the Start Chat button here, it'll open up ChatGPT with Adobe Express already connected. But if you start a new chat without Adobe Express connected, you can add the Adobe Express app by going to the plus sign icon on the left-hand side. And from the drop-down menu, go ahead and select the More tab. Here's where you can view the apps that are currently available for your ChatGPT. So from the list here, let's select Adobe Express. And Adobe Express has now been enabled for my chat. And there's actually another easier way to enable the app, and that's by simply typing in the @ sign. Then you can either type in Adobe Express or select it from the drop-down menu here. And Adobe Express is now enabled for my chat. So now that I've connected Adobe Express to my ChatGPT, let's test it out and see what it can do. With Adobe Express and ChatGPT, we should be able to generate templates for social media posts, invitations, flyers, or whatever else you like. For this example, I want to create a cover image for a YouTube video that discusses travel tips. So for my prompt, I'm simply going to type in provide a YouTube thumbnail template for travel. And once you describe the type of template you want to create, go ahead and click the send button at the bottom right. AI will then analyze the request. And as we can see, Adobe Express is being used to generate the results. And after a few seconds, my travel templates have been generated. These are all high quality templates directly from Adobe Express that we can easily customize. You'll be provided with several templates that you can select from, so feel free to browse the templates and find the one you like best. For my travel video thumbnail, I think I'll try this template here. And when you select a template, it'll be enlarged in your preview. So now that I've selected the template that I want to use, let's go over how to customize it using text prompts. With the power of Adobe Express, we should be able to change the template text, the background colors, swap images, and more. If I wanted to change what the text says at the top, for example, I can simply enter a text prompt telling AI to change the top red text to say top 10 travel tips. And I also think I'll tell AI to change the main text to say travel time. I can then click the send button, and after a few moments, my text should be changed. And my template now reads travel time, top 10 travel tips. But with this bright red text color against the light colored background, I think my text is a little bit hard to see. So for my next prompt, let's see if we can have AI change the background color to a darker blue. I can then click send, and let's see if AI can handle my request. Adobe Express is being used to make the changes. And in less than 15 seconds, my template background color has been updated. As you can see, it's been changed to a darker blue. And if we scroll down underneath the template, it actually provides us with several color options that we can select from. This is an awesome feature that helps us make sure we get the perfect color for our design. And if you scroll down to the text underneath your results, it'll give you a detailed description of the changes that it made, and also some other suggestions that you may want to implement as well. For my next edit, I think I'll see if I can replace an image. So let's scroll back up to my template preview. And for my thumbnail, I think I want to change the image at the bottom. So to use a different image, I'm simply going to tell AI to change the travel photo of the man to a beautiful mountain view. I can then hit send, and let's see what the AI comes up with. And after a few moments, the image has been changed to a mountain view. I think that worked perfectly. It actually uses generative AI, so you can replace your images and graphics with pretty much anything you like. But to really make this design stand out, let's see if we can add animations. To add animations directly from the chat, I'm simply going to go down to the prompt field and type in animate this. I can then click the send button, and AI should know exactly what to do. The Adobe Express app is then activated, and after a few moments, animations have been added to my design. And if we look underneath the preview here, we can see that it provides us with several animation styles that we can select from. Feel free to try out the various animation styles and select the one that you like best. For my design, I think I'm going to go with this popping animation style here. I think my design looks much better. But if you want to take it to the next level, you can click the icon at the bottom right here to open up your design in Adobe Express. My template is actually opened up in the Adobe Express AI Assistant, where I can continue editing my design with text prompts. You actually have a lot more capabilities here and can make pretty much any edit that you need using text prompts. Or if you like, you can click the toggle button up top here, and your design will be opened up in the Adobe Express editor. From here, you can add effects, change fonts, rearrange graphics, or make any other changes you like to your design. And once you're finished, you can share or download your design using the buttons up top here, and use it for whatever project you're working on. So that's a quick overview of how to connect and use Adobe Express on ChatGPT. I encourage you to try it out for yourself and see how easy it is to edit designs with text prompts. And if you found the video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.